Hello, everyone. How are you all doing this morning? I'm sure you're doing very well. Okay, we've come again to our Igbo learning class, and we'll continue with verbs. Now, my aim is that you will learn as many verbs as you can so you can be able to make any Igbo sentences at any time without thinking twice. Okay, so let's go straight to the verbs we have today. We have the verb to run and to dance. Now, the first one is to run. It's called Igbo. Igbo is to run. Boso, run. Baroso, ran. Naboso is running. Gaboso will run. Abagoso has run. Abarioso did not run. Anaghị agba ọsọ is not running. Agaghị agba ọsọ will not run. Agbabeghị ọsọ have not run. Okay, these are the conjugations. Now, to make sentences with Igbo, all you need to do is to add a subject, which could either be a name or a pronoun. So it's very simple. So we just go straight. Anyị gbara ọsọ. Anyị means we. So we say we ran. It's a pronoun. Unu agbaghị ọsọ. Unu agbaghị ọsọ. Unu means you. Say you did not run. Ha ga-agba ọsọ. Ha ga-agba ọsọ. Ha means they will run. Onyeka agaghị agba ọsọ. Onyeka will not run. Ọmashola gba ọsọ. Ọmashola run. Musa agbabeghị ọsọ. Musa have not run. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Igbo egwu. Igbo egwu means to dance. To dance. Gba egwu, dance. Gbara egwu, danced. Na-agba egwu is dancing. Ga-agba egwu will dance. Agbaga egwu has danced. Agbaghị egwu did not dance. Anaghị agba egwu is not dancing. Agaghị agba egwu will not dance. Agbabeghị egwu have not danced. Okay, it's the same thing with Igbo also. So it just to make sentences with Igbo, all you need to do is also to add a subject, which could either be a name or a pronoun. Okay, so let's go. Chikwere, gba egwu. Chikwere, dance. Amobi na-agba egwu. Amobi is dancing. Chinelo agbaga egwu. Chinelo has danced. Ha agbaghị egwu. They did not dance. Anyị chọrọ ịgba egwu. We want to dance. Ị gaghị agba egwu. You will not dance. Now you go and do this. Make sentences and speak with this. Agbabeghị egwu. Ga-agba egwu. Agaghị agba ọsọ. Na-agba ọsọ. Ịgba ọsọ. Okay, daalụ.